How to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. So if you want to recover TikTok account without the email or phone number, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your TikTok. After that, you can go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Now, if you don't have access to your account, your personal account, then you can go and log into any other account, or you can go with any other's phone, like your friends or your family members, and you need to report a problem with that account. So go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here, go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, and after scrolling down, here you may have an option of report a problem. You can tap on report a problem, and under report a problem, you need to scroll down. Now here you just need to simply go with your feed, search, any option that you're comfortable with, tap on other, and tap on still have a problem or need more help, and it will take you to the TikTok support or report a problem page, and from here you will be able to contact the TikTok support. So you can just simply tap on the account, or if you get report a problem section, then you can go with a message which is, hi TikTok, I forgot my password and I don't have access to my email anymore. I can't log in to it, so please help me to recover my account. I can provide any account ownership proof, and you can go and tap on report. Or if you have the TikTok support like this, then you can just simply go with how to recover my account. So just go with the questions, and it will give you the suggestions or answers on how you can recover it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.